Alright, so this is a smart ring. And a smart ring perimeters. It's a Li-ion polymer battery. Stainless steel. Temperature range 0 to 50 degrees. So you get the box, and there's a lot of material with this product. Mobile charging, number 6. So you get a lot of material with this. It's very well packaged, as you could tell. Here is the case. Now this is the game changer here. The case for this is awesome because it's a plastic and it has a nice snap top. But it's kind of hard to keep up with these rings, and so having a case is a game changer. The charging is a USB to this little tiny thing right here. It's magnetic, and so what you do is you put it here on the ring and it snaps, and it's kind of hard to find. And so what you do is you just kind of snap it in there like that, and it snaps in, and once it's on there, it's charging green. So that means you know you're good. And so yeah, this is the actual ring. So this is my other ring that I wear, the smart ring. And so just to compare them, that's stainless silver. This one's a gold. So putting them on your finger, it's kind of different. It's kind of different. I'll just say that. This one I've gotten used to over a while. This one, I feel like this is going to take a little while, and it kind of fits my finger a little bit. But I'm probably going to wear it on a pinky because that fits a lot better. So here it is on my pinky. So yeah, it fits better there. It looks pretty good actually. But regardless, you download the Smart Health app and they have a QR code. I couldn't get the QR code to work, so I wish they would get something to go on with that. But there's a QR code for that. But it's a Smart Health app. So there's all that. So you click mail. That's me. And then you kind of just put in your birth date. And so I will not show that part because I don't want y'all to know how old I am, because that is just news for me. And so we're going to do Imperial, and that'll work. And so it measures your steps. Then you select your region, and you go, let's see, you gotta go down a little bit more. United States of America. And then you go to save. They got a lot of different countries. And then we say, got it. Let's see if we can read some of my steps. So walking around. Didn't read any of them yet, but I guess it will. But that is the Aura ring. Yeah, so on my ring, I don't really ever use the app that much. Oh, nearby device permissions. Go to allow. And then here's all the device lists. And I think it's this one actually. So we gotta wait. So it's synchronizing. And then sure. Then we equipment. Then health settings. Yeah, so there you go. We're all set up. Setting. So let's I have it on. I can't get it to pick up any steps. So, yeah, at the time of this video recording, can't get it to pick up any of my steps, but maybe it will. But yeah, this is a pretty good device. I do wish there were some changes, like the QR code working, and the little charging cable is a little awkward, but other than that, this would be an option for you for having a smart ring. So there you go.